So here's the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K printer. We're going to turn it on. This is right out of the box. I have not done anything with it except take the plastic wrap off. So here's what it looks like on the inside. You have the build plate. This is the self-leveling build plate. Okay, we have the heating resin tank here, so you can print in cold weather. It'll keep your tank a nice 60 degrees. Okay, close it. It's got the lid that goes up and down like this, much better than the last version. Last one you had to pull all the way off. Okay, so we're going to turn it on for the first time. There we go. Peel off the plastic cover here. So it's going to fire up. What we're going to do is we're going to link this machine to my Wi-Fi network. We're going to choose English for the language. Okay, North America. Confirm. No Wi-Fi detected. Okay, so we will do this. Okay. Turn away because I don't want my password to be seen. You can show the other printer. This is another one with a blackout cover. This is how I'm able to print in broad daylight because the blackout cover covers 100% of the sun rays. And you can never open the printer during the day. You can only do this at night or in the early morning, because if you open your printer when the sunlight is out, it's like a vampire. It will die. Okay, so the only way you can print outside is if you never open your printers while it's daylight.
Oh wait, we don't want that.
So we've set up the Wi-Fi network so we can transfer files wirelessly. Right now, it's mechanically calibrating itself, so no more manually leveling the screen. It will level the print plate. It will level with this automatic setting here and preheat to the right temperature. So that's what it's doing right now. New version, go ahead and upgrade that. So you're just pressing buttons on the machine for, I don't know, probably less than 15 minutes getting it all set up. So we're going to go through all these prompts. You just need to follow the prompts. It's very straightforward. Just pay attention while you're doing it and you'll get everything done. We're going to shut this off and go to the next step. So we'll see you on the next step. So we're going to use Elegoo 8K Space Gray ABS like 3.0 resin. Put on your mask, goggles if you have them. I'm very careful, I don't need them at this second, but usually I wear goggles. So we're putting resin in for the first time. You want to shake it. Okay. There's a minimum and a max line. We're going to fill right in between those. Takes about one full bottle. Took about 1,000 gram bottle. Good. Close it. So we're gonna open up Lychee Slicer. You can download this for free. I'm not gonna bore you with exactly how to do this. You can figure it out yourself. I'm just gonna give you the gist of what you should be doing. So we're gonna get a model that we've already bought, and we're going to upload it into here and orientate it on the print plate. So give it a moment while it fires up. Okay, we're here. We're going to start here. Drag and drop files here. So we're going to add files here. So you should have already bought some files off your favorite 3D sculptor, download them to your computer. If you've done that, you're going to hit this import button. Actually, I'm sorry. Let's start with your 3D printer. So right now, click 3D printer. Right now, I'm using my Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K. You click on that. I've added the resin I'm going to use. You can do that yourself here by clicking add new resin, and you can type in the resin you're using. So here we're using the Elegoo ABS-like version 3 gray. So it already has the settings built in. X out of here. Boom. So now we're set with the right printer we're using, and we have the resin we're using. Here I'm clicking so I can connect the printer to this laptop here. So one moment while I find it. Okay, connected. See if that worked. Okay, good enough. Okay, so from here we're gonna add a file. Hit download, that's where I find mine. So I will grab this one here. Click on one, hit shift, then click again. Open multiple files at one time. All right, we've put the sculpts here. We're gonna select the move icon, grab them, drag them over here, spread them out. We want to be about an inch off of the build plate, so I'm raising them all about 1 inch off. Notice that. This is from Diego Rodriguez. These are Doberman sculpts. Next, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna hit the rotate button. We're gonna click on one. We're gonna rotate it at a 45-degree angle. So about like that. And I'm sorry, the right click button, if you hold it, you can drag the screen around and move this so you can see different angles. Okay, so next one, we're gonna click here, the left click button. We're gonna rotate it up again because we want the supports to be on the bottom side where we're not gonna see them. Okay, over here, rotate this one up, boom. Now we're about the right place we wanna be. We're gonna come over to the left here and we're gonna hit this magic button. This is gonna add supports. What I do is I make sure auto orientation is off. So make sure that's clicked. We want raft off. You can do them on, but I like it with both those off. And then I like medium, light usually fails, heavy is too big, medium is just perfect. And then hit I'm feeling lucky. And watch what happens. It'll add supports virtually. There are manual ways to do it. I haven't figured that out yet, but I've been able to print successfully with this method. So we've got the supports added. I'm gonna do that to the rest of these models and we'll come back. Okay, so we've added supports on all the models. I'm gonna hit the right click button and hold it, and I can drag it around and move this. Now you can see these sculpts from different angles. You see how there's enough room here where it's not gonna get stuck to the build plate, and the supports are on the bottom of the model where it's not gonna mess up the good part of the sculpt. Okay, so we're looking at that. That's the back of it. Easy to rotate this. We want to fill up this whole build plate to maximize how many prints we can add. So I'll upload another file. So go to import. Let's grab another sculpt. So we'll go here. Let's get this guy. It's a dragon. So I'm gonna hit shift, hold it, press click, it'll select them all, open. You can open multiple files at one time. And we'll come back. So I'm just filling up the plate with these dragons so we have a full build plate because we don't want to print for hours and not maximize how much we can make. So as you can see, I'm again raising it about 1 inch off the build plate. It's about a 45-degree angle. That's good right there. Hit the magic button, medium supports. Feeling lucky, click, it's adding supports, and I'm just gonna fill up this build plate. I might spend anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes doing this each night. Okay, there's a little fire he spits. Grab those, drag them around. Same process for everything. Lifting them